What is version control?
Version control is a system that records changes to files over time so you can recall specific versions later. It's essential for developers as it helps track edits, manage collaborations, and prevent data loss. Without it, working on software with others, or even just yourself, can become confusing and risky. Version control keeps projects organized and ensures everyone is working with the right files.
Introducing Git.
Git is the most widely used version control system today. Created by Linus Torvalds in 2005, Git is free, fast, and designed to handle projects both large and small. Its distributed nature lets every developer have a complete copy of the project's history, making collaboration smooth and resilient to data loss.
Why Git became the standard?
Git stands out because of its speed, flexibility, and reliability. It allows branching and merging, key for experimenting safely and integrating work from many contributors. Major platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket are built around Git, making it the backbone of modern software development in every major programming ecosystem.
Key advantages for developers.
With Git, developers can easily track changes, collaborate without overwriting each other's work, and revert to previous versions when needed. Git's branching system allows teams to work simultaneously on new features, bug fixes, or experiments without disrupting the main codebase. This boosts productivity and code quality across projects.
Getting started with Git.
Learning Git basics, like commit, branch, merge, and push, empowers anyone to contribute to modern software projects. Countless free tutorials and graphical tools make it accessible, even for beginners. Mastering Git opens doors to collaborating on open source, working with top tech companies, and managing your own projects confidently and securely.